Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the time format into Proton Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change the time format into Proton Mail, firstly open the Proton Mail application on your device. Now, after opening the Proton Mail, just simply tap into Settings and go to All Settings. From there, you will get so many options. You just simply have to select Language and Time option under Accounts. After coming here, you will see this Time Format option under Language and Time. It is automatic by default. You can select either the 12-hour time format by choosing the 1 p.m. option or use the 24-hour time format by choosing the 13 option. Simply choose which one is suitable for you. By following these very easy steps, you can easily set the time format into your Proton Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.